Join me as I dive into the mind-bending world of black holes and try to uncover just how weird they really are. Black holes are perhaps the most mysterious and intriguing objects in our universe, captivating both scientists and the general public alike. They're often shrouded in secrecy, and their very nature seems to defy our understanding of reality. One common misconception about black holes is that they're like cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking in everything that dares to get too close without any rules or rhyme. But that's not entirely accurate. In reality, black holes follow some very specific rules, and their behavior is governed by the laws of physics, albeit some pretty weird and counterintuitive ones. Another misconception is that black holes are somehow alive and can move around in space, kind of like a giant cosmic monster. Again, not true. Black holes are actually incredibly stationary objects, stuck in one place, and they don't have the ability to move or change direction. A third misconception is that black holes are invisible and that we can't see them at all. While it's true that we can't see black holes directly, their presence can be inferred by the effects they have on the surrounding environment, kind of like hearing a loud rumble of thunder without seeing the lightning. And a fourth misconception is that black holes are a relatively recent discovery, something that scientists stumbled upon in the last century or so. Actually, the concept of a body so massive that not even light could escape its gravity dates back to the 18th century, and it was first proposed by a British clergyman named John Michell. But enough about what black holes aren't. Let's dive into what they really are. At their most basic level, black holes are regions of space-time where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it falls inside. This is because of a boundary called the event horizon, which marks the point of no return. Once you cross the event horizon, you're trapped forever. The event horizon is kind of like a cosmic point of no return, and it's what gives black holes their incredible power. But it's not the only strange property of black holes. At their very center lies a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume, where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down completely. Black holes also have an incredibly strange relationship with light and matter. For example, they can heat up and accelerate particles to incredible energies, creating brilliant displays of radiation and high-energy particles. And they can even distort light around them, creating gravitational lensing effects that can bend and warp the fabric of space-time itself. But perhaps the most surprising aspect of black holes is the concept of Hawking radiation. You see, until the 1970s, it was thought that black holes were completely dark, that nothing, not even light, could escape their grasp. But then Stephen Hawking came along and proposed that black holes actually emit a faint glow of radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. This was a game changer because it meant that black holes weren't eternal objects after all. They had a lifespan, and they could eventually evaporate away into nothingness. It was a radical idea, and it challenged our traditional view of black holes as completely dark and impenetrable objects. So there you have it. Black holes are indeed way weirder than you thought. From their mind-bending properties to their strange behavior, black holes continue to fascinate and intrigue us. And who knows, maybe one day we'll uncover even more secrets about these cosmic enigmas. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the weird and wonderful world of black holes. If you've got any thoughts or comments, please share them below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, as we'll be exploring more mind-bending space phenomena in our next video.